Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the 4K edition of The Lion King, the steelbook. This is a Best Buy exclusive. Comes with the 4K Blu-ray, the Blu-ray, and the digital code. Here's the J card of it if you guys want to try and read some of that. I got this one on sale for I think it was like $30.99. Originally it was like $34.99, but I guess Best Buy was seeing that they wasn't selling as much as they thought they would. They were probably planning on the hype for the new movie that's coming out next year. But all of this is gonna be, I guess, like a mixture between gloss and matte. None of this is embossed. And then the back as well, same type of mixture, no embossing. And here we have the spine. And then here's the inside of the steelbook, the 4K Blu-ray and then the Blu-ray. There's the full artwork. And then the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.